Hey there. Can't find your American Express card? Reporting it lost or stolen immediately stops fraud and gets a replacement on the way fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to report it. The fastest method is in the Amex mobile app. Tap on the card image and find the Report Lost or Stolen button. You can also call the 24/7 customer service number on the back of your other Amex card or on their website. The agent will cancel the old card number immediately to prevent unauthorized use and will overnight a new card to your address on file. My crucial pro tip? Use the freeze card feature first if you're just unsure. If you think it might be in your other jacket, freeze it in the app while you look. Only report it lost/stolen if you're certain it's gone, as this changes your card number and stops recurring bills. That's decisive action to protect your account and minimize disruption. What's the most unusual place you've ever found a lost card? Let me know in the comments. For more urgent how-to guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.